Hey there, young artists! Today, let's draw and color a magnificent lion. Get your paper and coloring tools ready. And let's unleash our creativity with the king of the jungle. First, let's sketch out the basic shape of our lion. Draw the eyes, nose, mouth, and whiskers to give our lion a friendly expression. Great job! Now, let's add some details. Start with a large oval for the body and a smaller one for the head. Then, add a rounded triangle for the mane and two circles for the ears. Great! Our lion is really starting to take shape. Wonderful! Our lion's face is looking fantastic. Now, let's move on to drawing the rest of the body. You're doing amazing! Now, let's add color to our lion. Choose your favorite colors. And start filling in the different parts of the lion. Use shades of brown and yellow for the body. A darker shade for the mane. You're doing amazingly well! Keep coloring until your lion looks fierce and proud. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and techniques to make it truly magnificent. have a majestic lion, ready to rule over your imagination. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey as much as I did. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative content. Bye-bye.